Imagine a machine built for the places where normal vehicles stop. A vehicle designed not just to travel, but to conquer the most challenging landscapes on Earth. This is the Titan X6 Hybrid Expedition, a massive 6x6 adventure platform that combines extreme off-road capability with the comfort and technology of a luxury mobile home. Welcome back to Rolling Wheels, where we explore the most incredible motorhomes, expedition vehicles, and futuristic machines from around the world. Today, we are taking a closer look at a true desert explorer that looks ready for any journey, from endless highways to remote wilderness trails. At first glance, the Titan X6 immediately stands out with its desert sandmat exterior finish. The rugged body design gives it a powerful military-inspired appearance while maintaining a premium luxury feel. Every line and detail appears to be created with one purpose in mind: maximum adventure capability. The foundation of this beast is its heavy-duty 6x6 expedition platform. Unlike traditional adventure vehicles, the six-wheel configuration provides extra stability, improved traction, and the confidence needed when driving through sand, mud, rocks, and challenging terrain. Massive all-terrain BFGoodrich tires give this vehicle the grip it needs when the road disappears and the real adventure begins. The front section features a heavy-duty steel bumper equipped with recovery hooks and a powerful winch system. These components are not just for appearance. They are essential tools for serious exploration, allowing the Titan X6 to handle difficult situations far away from traditional support. Moving around the exterior, the expedition theme continues with a functional roof system. Large solar panels provide additional energy support during long off-grid adventures, while roof-mounted storage cases offer extra space for essential equipment. The side awning creates a comfortable outdoor area, transforming the vehicle into a complete adventure base wherever it parks. One of the most interesting features is the rear roof-mounted drone system. This adds another level of exploration, allowing travelers to capture incredible views and scout the surrounding environment from above. The panoramic windows give the Titan X6 a modern appearance while allowing natural light to enter the living space. Combined with the premium body design, LED lighting, and hybrid expedition branding, this vehicle creates a perfect balance between futuristic technology and rugged outdoor capability. The Titan X6 Hybrid Expedition is not simply built to look impressive. Every exterior feature tells a story of freedom, exploration, and independence. It represents a new generation of adventure vehicles created for people who want to experience the world without limits. But the real question is, does this extreme exterior design continue inside the cabin? Let's step inside and discover what this futuristic expedition machine offers. Stepping inside the Titan X6, the rugged exterior gives way to an interior that feels more like a premium luxury suite than an expedition vehicle. Every detail has been designed to make life on the road as comfortable as possible without sacrificing the adventurous spirit that defines this machine. The first thing that catches your attention is the modern driver cockpit. A large digital display sits directly in front of the driver, providing clear access to essential driving information, navigation, and vehicle data. At the center of the dashboard, the oversized infotainment screen creates a clean and high-tech environment while keeping every important function within easy reach. Unlike many modern vehicles that rely entirely on touch controls, the Titan X6 keeps physical switches for its off-road systems. This practical approach makes it easier to adjust important settings even while driving across rough terrain, where quick and precise control matters the most. The premium leather seats proudly feature Titan X6 branding, giving the cabin an exclusive identity. Their supportive design makes long-distance travel more comfortable. Whether you are crossing mountain passes, exploring desert trails, or spending hours on the open highway, soft ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere after a long day of adventure. During the day, the large panoramic windows fill the interior with natural light, making the entire living space feel bright, open, and connected to the surrounding landscape. Moving farther inside, the living area has been carefully arranged to maximize both comfort and functionality. The dining space provides a comfortable place to enjoy meals, plan the next destination, or simply relax after a full day of exploring. Every inch of the cabin has been designed to make extended travel feel effortless. The kitchen continues that same philosophy with a clean and modern layout. Everything appears organized and within easy reach, making meal preparation simple whether you are parked beside a peaceful lake or deep in the middle of the desert. Storage has clearly been a priority throughout the interior. Smart overhead cabinets and built-in compartments help keep equipment organized while maintaining a clean and uncluttered living space. For long expeditions, efficient storage can make all the difference, and the Titan X6 seems ready for weeks of off-grid travel. Even the bathroom follows the same premium design language. It offers the privacy and convenience expected from a luxury expedition vehicle, allowing travelers to remain completely self-sufficient during extended adventures far away from traditional campsites. The entire interior reflects one clear goal. It is designed to make remote exploration feel as comfortable as staying in a modern apartment. Every feature works together to create a living space where adventure and luxury exist side by side. Now that we have explored the cabin, it is time to see whether the Titan X6 performs as confidently as it looks. In the next section, we will take a closer look at its hybrid expedition capability, six-wheel performance, and what truly makes this machine ready for the world's toughest adventures. The Titan X6 Hybrid Expedition is more than just a luxury adventure vehicle. It is a concept of complete freedom. Every detail, from its heavy-duty six-wheel platform to its smart hybrid design, has been created for travelers who refuse to let rough terrain decide where their journey ends. Whether you are crossing endless desert landscapes, climbing rocky mountain trails, or setting up camp miles away from civilization, this vehicle is built to give you the confidence to keep moving forward. The combination of rugged capability, premium comfort, and modern technology makes the Titan X6 feel ready for almost any adventure you can imagine. What makes this expedition rig truly special is the balance it creates. It delivers the toughness of a serious off-road machine while offering the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. That means every destination becomes easier to reach, and every journey becomes part of the adventure itself. If a vehicle like this became a reality, would you take it across the deserts of Arizona, the mountains of Colorado, or all the way to Alaska? Let us know your dream expedition destination in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more incredible expedition trucks, luxury motorhomes, and futuristic campers from around the world, make sure to subscribe to Rolling Wheels, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we will see you in the next adventure.